Hey, my name is Bailey Weiser. I'm the owner of Hello Jude Photography, a North Georgia newborn and family photography studio, and welcome to my channel. I'm giving you a little studio update. It's been a couple weeks, actually I think it's been a full month since we first saw this space. Things have been moving pretty quickly. I had a couple sessions that were already on the books that I could not postpone, and so we were in a little bit of a time crunch to get some work done. So I'm gonna give you a little tour, show you some of the things that we've done, and kind of give you some highlights on some of the sessions I've had so far and some things that are coming soon to the space and what we have to do left. So let's dive in. All right, so this is the shooting room. She is almost done. We are missing a couple things in here. I've got to put up my toe molding. You can tell where the crack is. The sessions I've had so far, I've had to edit that out of every image, and it has been a royal pain. And so toe molding is coming up, as well as the picture molding that I told you guys I was going to be adding to the shooting wall. I'm really excited about that. I think it's gonna add some dimension to the images, whereas right now they're beautiful, but I feel like are just missing something. And it's hard for me because my last studio had the lines in the wall, and so it's been an adjustment, but I'm excited for that. I've got some frames over there I'm gonna hang in here, probably some up there. I've got my console table I need to bring back in here as well. And then a chair is coming in the mail today. So that is pretty much this room. Got a little beverage bar and couch area for families to just hang while baby is getting pictures taken. And then in here, this is kind of a hot mess of a room, but wardrobe is gonna go on this wall. We are building it and then inserting it. So that's why that back wall is not painted. All of my wardrobe is in boxes. And so I have got to get this done so I can get this up and organized and simplify the wardrobe process for my clients. Got to hang a light. And like I said, chairs coming in today. My wall right here is going to have this salon chair and this mirror. And then I'm going to have changing station on the other side. The bathroom has been quite a hot mess. Right now it is a storage closet. I got about 75% of the way done with sheetrocking it, and then I found myself cursing quite a bit. And so I had to just call it quits for that so that I could focus on the other things, especially the shooting room. Right here, we're gonna add in a door and molding and all of that. So this is gonna be completely different. We're gonna have a glass door right here that I'm gonna have like my business information on, and then we shiplapped this wall, added my logo sign, and painted the stairwell. I've got to finish the stair treads today and put down my stair runner, and then we're going to replace the front door and then paint both of those exterior doors. So we're getting there. It's been quite a process. But I'm really excited with how it has turned out. I think this is just so far, the sessions I've had, the lighting is just incredible, and such a great location.
One, two, bust a move and show them what I really do. Like 3, 4, kick the door and make some room, then give them more. Like 5, 6, I don't miss it. Everything I do is big. So 7, 8, why wait? Life is good, let's celebrate. I do what I wanna do. Everybody bust a move. Stand back, give me room. I'm doing my thing. So you better get up, make history, yeah. You got to do it.
6 sessions in this space. Definitely a learning curve when you're going from having a studio with one directional light to multi-directional light, but it's been all good things. Just having to figure out how to turn people, where to direct their face, where to get that catch light, but it's been really good and I'm excited. I have a very, my new favorite place in the studio is actually between 2 windows. I did a maternity session and captured some of my favorite photos that I've done so far in the studio. I've had a few newborn sessions in here, a couple cake smashes. So, I mean, things are rolling in here. I've got more on the calendar for this week. So my goal for this week is to get the stairwell done, get the runner in place. I'm really excited to see that come together. Order the doors and hopefully get those installed, and then start working on the toe molding so that I do not have to spend so much time editing that out of every picture. Every picture, there's a black line. And it may not be super noticeable to some people, but I'm a very detail-oriented person. And when everything seems so seamless and then you have a little black line, it's really irritating. So I'm hoping to get that taken care of, at least in the shooting room this week. I'm gonna order some prints to put in these frames. I went real inexpensive with the frames, and I know that can be a little controversial. My last studio, I purchased really high-end frames and from a professional framer, and I encourage my clients to frame their photos. I have just found personally that they're not as big of a hit with my clients as I thought they would be. And so I chose to go the more inexpensive route, especially since the little hands touch these in the studio with them being larger and on the wall. I didn't want to have glass and then have the risk of them breaking. And so I found some pretty large frames from Target for $30. And they're gonna do the job. They're not gonna be super high end. I'm gonna get the professional prints, but the frames themselves, I was okay with doing just a generic matted frame for this space. And I'm okay with that. So, more is coming soon. I'm really excited to show you this space when it's done. I'm really excited to see the space when it's done. I've got some cool ideas for the wardrobe wall that I am curious how it's gonna turn out. But in general, I'm really happy with this space and cannot wait to do more sessions in here.